My name's Bong Bain. I am the creator behind Wild Hearts Home on Instagram and TikTok. I basically teach people, especially women, how to DIY and use tools typically that men use, but I'm here to teach women how to do all those fun things so they can create the home of their dreams. Wild Hearts Home came from me wanting to make my home look beautiful, but not having the money to pay anybody to do it myself. When Wild Hearts Home started, my husband bought me a whole DIY kit, and I literally had no idea the names of these saws. So I always say, even if you are starting from nowhere, I was nowhere 5 years ago, and now I can build basically a whole house. I really love and care about my audience. They've really become my friends. Like, we have really great conversations. I work so much, but it doesn't feel like work because I love my job. I have this passion for transforming spaces into something really beautiful, and then I get to work with these amazing brands, and then we together get to create this space, and I get to genuinely share it with my followers and talk about a product that I really love. I really teach to the beginner. So I talk about, what kind of screw I'm using, what kind of tool I'm using, why I measure a certain way, and I think people really appreciate that, and I think that's what sets me apart, especially in the DIY niche. I think what's unique about IZEA is you get a really good combination of a platform that lets you submit things really nicely, and then it has all the details of what you need, but then you get the personalization of having a contact at IZEA, and so you get the combination of both, and it works really seamlessly.